make your meatballs today, you're gonna need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley. If you don't have freshly chopped parsley, you can always use 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 slightly beaten egg, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, these are whole wheat breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic. However, I use the squeezable garlic that comes in the tube because honestly, it saves time. And then I use 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. So I'm gonna start rolling my meatballs out. I always get a cookie tray and I line it with parchment paper because it also makes for easy cleanup later. The key is you've got to get everything mixed really well together.